WordPress tutorial, we'll be making a free email account for our WordPress site. One of the essentials of this tutorial is that you have a host that gives you free email, and the host that I use is SiteGround. It provides unlimited email accounts for you to create, which is really nice because if you do the cheap hosting, sometimes you end up needing email and then you pay for another service to connect your email to your host, and it's a lot easier just to have it all in one place, in my opinion. So if you're interested in SiteGround, I will leave a link in the video description. So if you've already made your WordPress site, you go to Site Tools. And if you haven't made your WordPress site, you can follow one of the links that I'll leave as well below. Then you go to Email, Accounts, and this is where you will enter in your email account name and add a password. Once you create an account name and a password, just click Create, and you will see your email account down here. To check your email from your SiteGround account, you just click the dots, log into webmail. So you can see they have a nice user interface for the email. If you want to connect your email in your SiteGround account to your Gmail or to your WordPress site, which is what we'll be doing in the next tutorial, you would just go to Mail Configuration and probably Manual Settings. And these are the settings you would use to connect to, say, Gmail or to Outlook, so that you can get these emails in your app and not have to come to SiteGround to do it. You can also auto-configure or get you can see down here in the corner, you can generate like a set of listings for a specific email client, but I would probably just use these settings and then set it up in your app. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the description. Thanks a lot.